question.
Alright.
Parang you can do 10 more rounds, eh. Okay, narito naman po si You're My Fornoy Mindanao from Iran, Riza Kanafar.
Welcome to Davao. Samahan niyo po ako dito sa Eden Nature Park.
I've been here in Philippines since 2010. It's already 4 years I live here. I come here for the study, which I study in Central Escola University, dentistry course.
Most popular fruit in the Davao is durian. Wow, very masarap. The food are here very healthy. Why? Because it's a barbecue. No oil, no fat, fit talaga. See, I work for my lunch. Masarap talaga. Let's join, let's join.
Every day I think about it, and I'm surprised when I come here. People are really happy. They are really different from the other countries people, what I see before. They just enjoy the life. Actually, they live just for today. That's the thing really I'm surprised, and I wish I can live like them.
Mabuhay, ako po si Reza Kianepa mula si Iranian, and you are my Fornoy ng Mindanao.
Durian.
How'd you find it? It's so masarap. Someone don't like the smell, but for me, the smell is nice and the taste is great. Love it.
Nice, nice. All right. So, Reza, we have a message from your family. Please watch this.
Good luck to the grand final. Whatever happens, just enjoy. And be thankful for the great opportunity that comes on your way. Thank you, Philippines, for supporting my son. Thank you, influential Gustavo family, and give kindly to the person of your great country. Again, son, good luck.
You went to the country to study dentistry and you ended up in a national television contest, Riza. How does that feel?
Yeah, I'm so lucky and I'm so thankful Philippines to welcome us, and I really enjoy here. I love you guys.
All right. Well, Reza, you know, when we show love to our friends, when we go home, we bring home what you call pasalubong.
Okay.
Gifts.
All right.
So, anything here that you want to bring home to your
One
family?
gift for my family. You want
Yeah.
what's that?
Yeah.
Wife.
Well, wow. Meron bang wife dito?
Parang wala yata dito sa Philippine treasures natin.
That's my first thing.
Wait, are they pressuring you to get married?
Because honestly, Filipino girl really caring and really sweet.
Really
They're so
caring,
kind.
very
Yeah.
sweet.
So you wouldn't mind bringing home Filipina to
No,
This one, we can gladly wrap her and send home with you. This one, oh, that one.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, that's one. That's good.
that's good. Oh,
Okay.
we'll ask her.
For the fruit,
For the fruit.
honestly, durian.
Durian.
Wow,
Where is
okay.
it?
This one.
This is the
Yeah,
durian.
yeah. But it's closed. I want to open it. Someday,
You can keep it.
Okay.
Alright,
You can keep it.
We'll wrap that for you, Reza. I think that's safer to bring home than
Literature writers.
Okay, Reza, I think you genuinely enjoy this.
Exactly.
Okay, panasalitaan.
Okay,
Go
let's
for
go.
Pinahalalagahan.
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay.
pwede na yun.
I love you.
Pinahahalagahan.
Yeah.
Pinahahalagahan in English is...
Value for give importance to.
Yes, to give value or importance
To.
to...
To ito naman ang kasabihan Pilipino.
That's my line, but you can say it.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Alright, continue.
Wanna help you?
Go,
Alright,
continue.
let's go.
Go ahead.
Madaling pumitas na bunga kun tamaan ka sa sangga.
Bunga! Reza, yung ginawa mo, bunga!
Bunga!
Okay. Buddy, ano ba ang 100% Pinoy talent na papakita mo?
You know, guys.
Did you change?
Bebot. No, I still Bebot. I'm a Mr. Bebot here.
Don't change it.
Yeah.
Don't change
That's
it.
how you won.
Go ahead, Mr. Bebot, take your
Alright.
Let's
position.
go!
Bunga!
One more time, Riza. Kasama si Joshua Ibanez.
Tayong lahat!
Yeah.
Well, let's go! We have a dance here!
Ayun na po, si Foreigner number 8 mula sa Iran, Riza Kanafor.
Bebot, 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 ikaw ang akin. Bebot, 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 ikaw ang akin. Bebot, 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 ikaw ang akin. Pilipino! 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 Oy, bakit naging yaw ko? Ito na ang sunang Pilipino. Galing sa Carlo, sa penta ko. Pumunta ng LA trabaho para natulungan sa nanay. Dahil sa hirap ang buhay, pero masaya ang kulay. Pag kumaan nagkakamay, Pinoy ka, sigop ka! Sigop ka, sigop ka! Kulbo ang mahalaga! Salamat sa iyong suporta! Filipino! 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 Bebot, 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 Mahal kayo! Love you! Love you!
Okay. Now the problem is making him stop. Salamat, Riza.
Alright, thank you very much. Dahil muli, ang ating mga You're My Foreignoy finalists. Woo! Sige, habang pinapapila natin sila, medyo mag-recover muna tayo sa nangyayari.
Hirap mag-recover after number from Riza talaga eh.
Yeah, well done, gentlemen. Palakpakan natin yung mga You're My Foreignoy.
Here they are once again. At ngayon naman, alamin natin ang masasabi ng ating mga judges. We'll start from Mr. Nordino Vergara.
Mr. Vergara, anong iyong masasabi tungkol sa ating mga finalists?
Congratulations, thank you for inviting me here again. Level up ang ating Foreignoy today for the Grand Finals. I'd like to commend Itbulaga for making this possible for national television. It's a redefinition of a noontime show competition with a twist of international participation, but with actually a taste of Filipino culture and tradition. We're still celebrating the National Arts Month. I think this is the fitting tribute for our arts and culture. Congratulations, everyone. I think that, ano ba sasabihin ko? Ito yung noontime show competition is more fun in Itbulaga.
Yun. Thank you very much, Mr.
Vergara. And now, let's hear from Ms. Rufa Gutierrez.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una maraming salamat sa pag-imbita niyo sa akin dito. At syempre, to all the contestants, good luck. Para sa akin talaga, hindi talaga may kakailan natin na it's more fun in the Philippines. Lahat ng mga nagpupunta dito na mga dayuhan, talagang napapamahal sa bansa natin. Hindi lang dahil sa pagkain, sa environment, pero dahil tayo mga Pilipino, talagang mapagmahal. Pinapakita natin sa kanila that they're always welcome. Kaya good luck sa kanila. And of course, I want to say hi to Dr. Vicky Bello, Lorene Venice, my mom, and Val, Jordan, and Sharina Sarte.
Thank you very much, Rufa. And a word from Miss Jessica Soho, ma'am.
Nakakatuwa ang ating mga Foreignoy. Salamat sa kanila, harinawa, tayo po mga Pinoy, mas na-appreciate natin ang ating kultura at ang ating mga tradisyon. At kung may lahi man po sa buong mundo na nakikinabang sa kagandahang loob ng mga foreigner, tayo po yon mga Pilipino, dahil saan mang sulok po ng mundo ngayon, meron tayong mga kababayan na nagtatrabaho doon. Kaya ipakita rin natin ang ating suporta at let's make them feel at home dito po sa Pilipinas at sa Itbulaga. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Ms. Jessica Soho.
Pakinggan naman natin ang komento ni Mr. Joey De Leon na siyang may kathang isip ng mga contest na ito.
Ng salitang Forinoy.
Inaasahan nyo maganda sasabihin ko. Natural, maganda yan. Pero may sinasasama ako ng loob eh.
Ay, bakit po?
Hindi nyo pinatang twister yung
Sabi
ano
ko
eh.
ni.
Buwan ng kabilugan, kabilugan ng buwan.
May time pa ba tayo, Tita Helen?
Gloria, yun lang naman hinihiling ko. Natapos at natapos yung show. Hindi na testing doon sa mga poreno yung buwan ng kabilugan, kabilugan ng buwan. Subukan mo nga, Gloria.
Buwan ng kabilugan, kabilugan ng buwan.
Ang dali eh.
Dapat yung bababa na ba tayo? Ano? Bababa na baba? Ano ba yan?
Bababa ka na. Bababa na ba?
Bababa na ba?
Yun lang. Pero congratulations sa ating lahat.
Thank you very much, yan yung master.
Joey, hindi pa huli ang lahat dahil sa Lunes, mag-uumpisa naman tayo ng mga You're My Foreigner.
Testing
Mga
natin.
100% na foreigners na may pusong Pinay.
Muli, sa pagtatapos sa Miss Gloria, meron ba kayong gusto sabihin?
Yes, of course, we very much enjoyed lahat ng mga Forenoy. At talagang nakakatuwa that they all act like a Pinoy. They even eat balut, karitela, and everything. And again, we want to remind all the Filipinos that tayo rin, when we are in foreign countries, we are very much welcome. So now with all the foreigners dito, we would also like you to feel at home and be welcome.
Thank you very much, Ms. Gloria Diaz. Salamat po sa ating mga judges, Mr. Vergara, Ms. Jessica Soho, Ms. Gloria Diaz, Boss Joey De Leon, and Ms. Rufa Gutierrez.
Mamaya malalaman na natin kung kanino sa ating 8 grand finalists mapupunta ang trono at tatanghalin You're My Foreigner.
Sa aming pagbabalik, makakasama natin muli mga You're My Foreigner Grand Finalists at may bonus pang kantahan kasama sina Aljo Rabrenica, Natalia Moon at Anna Rapstorm. Dito lang yan sa Bulaga. Paring Amon!